So behavioural theory is, as its name suggests, that it's not traits, it's behaviours, and everybody has a certain style of behaviour. So the styles that you need to learn are task-oriented, or orientated, compared to people-orientated. Okay, I'm going to put a little versus sign here because these two are opposites. Okay, when you're task orientated, what you do is you get the job done. That's all you care about. Come on, let's just get the job done. Let's get it. Yeah, I'm not interested that you're not feeling very well or you need a little break. Let's get the job done. Here you go. Here's some very concrete, specific objectives. You'd have to be a monkey not to be able to do this. If you're more of a people-orientated person, you will say, let me try and look after you. Let me have to try and look after your needs, and therefore you will work better, and that's how you'll get the job done. Okay, so you can see that they're moving. It's just different styles that people have. We're not saying one is better than the other. It's just a theory of how leaders work. Some people react to task-orientated people. Some people react to people-orientated styles. Another one is you could be direction-orientated or participation-orientated. And they're not too different to the ones above, are they? That when you're direction-orientated, you give direction. Okay, others follow. You take decisions. Others follow. Very much like the task-orientated to an extent. Participation-orientated, though, is we share decision-making. Everybody has an input. Okay, so they're the four that you need to be aware of, and also be aware of the fact that, as I've shown them there, that they are in opposites to each other, in competition with each other. Because in scenarios, that tends to be what happens. You have one person who's very task-orientated, one person who's very people-orientated, and the question will say, right, first of all, talk to me about them, say one's task and one's people, and then say why it would work in a particular scenario or wouldn't work in another scenario, depending on what the people are like that you're trying to lead, and it will be really clear in the exam. So what problems are there with this? Well, the main problem is, which style is best then? It's okay you doing this, but it's no help to me if I don't know which one is best. Different styles maybe suit different situations, and I can't keep on changing. Otherwise, I'm into contingency theory and how that doesn't work. Okay, so they're just a couple of the problems with it.